Good morning, children. Then you have already read by now three kinds of classified advertisement. First, we have read about situation vacant, then about situation wanted, and then advertisement for sale and purchase. Now I am going to start how to write the advertisement if we have to give our flat on rent and in which category this advertisement comes. Such kind of advertisement comes in the category of advertisement of to let. So now let's see the features of such kind of advertisement. So first is start with available. The advertisement which you have to write to give your flat on rent, you have to start with available. So you have to remember that you have to start with the word available. Second point is the type of accommodation, flow, size and number of rooms, fixtures and fittings, location and surroundings. Then the second point is you have to write type of accommodation. Children, here you remember, when you write the advertisement for sale of property, then you describe in brief your property, such as the floor, the number of rooms, the size of rooms, other facilities, location, area. In the same way, whether you have to sell your property or whether you have to give your property on rent, you will have to describe your accommodation. So, like you write the advertisement for sale of your property, in the same way, you have to here also describe the type of accommodation. Means you will have to write that on which floor your flat is, then how many rooms are there, then other facilities such as you have parking place or not, you have security guards facility or not. You may write about some fixtures and fittings. Children, here you will have to know what are fixtures and what are fittings. Fixtures means, children, whatever things in your house, whatever items in your house are permanently attached, which cannot be removed, those things are called fixtures, such as kitchen unit, some items of bathroom, geyser, etc., your almirah on the wall. These items are called fixtures, and such items which are fitted on the wall with nail and other things are called fittings. So when you have to give your flat on rent, you will have to write about such things also. What are the fixtures and what are the fittings. Then next thing you have to mention about the locality, surrounding. Here your flat, in which locality your flat is there, what are the surroundings. Number 3, rent expected. So just like the advertisement, property for sale, here also you will have to mention rent expected. Whatever rent you are expecting, you will have to mention it. And then at last, like every kind of classified advertisement, you will have to write the contact, address, mobile number, email ID, etc. And at last, don't forget to write the name of the category of the advertisement, which will be written at the top, just like the title. And what will be its category? To let. And I have already told that at last, contact address and phone number. So once again, in short, how to write the advertisement of to let. So first of all, you have to start with the word available. Point number 2, you have to describe in brief the type of accommodation, means on which floor, or how many rooms are there, in which locality it is, what are the fixtures, fittings and other amenities. Then point number 3, the rent expected, and at last contact number, contact address, and at the top the title, category. So this is everything about the advertisement of to let. Here you can see the question. You wish to rent out the ground floor of your house. Draft an advertisement for the same. Provide all the necessary details. You are Suresh, Surekha, Riverdale, Panji, Goa. So now you can see here, as I have discussed in the features, it starts with the word available. Available for rent. After that, you will describe the type of accommodation, like on which floor it is. So it is already described, children, here. Ground floor. If it is on second floor, you can write on second floor, on third floor. So see here, ground floor of a house at Cornet Street. So now locality is mentioned, just like the feature I have discussed. Look, Corner Street, Panji. Then the size 800 square feet. Now 2 BHK. 2 BHK, as I have told you earlier, B bedroom, H hall, kitchen. Means 2 bedroom, 1 hall and kitchen. All amenities and other all facilities. Amenities, facilities and own parking space. You can write that it has own parking space. You may also write that servant quarters, etc. Well ventilated. In the place of well ventilated, you can mention airy, spacious and modern construction. So these all are the type of accommodation. 24-hour water and power supply. This line is common. You may fit it in any kind of such advertisement, which is for to let or which is for the sale of your property or for purchase of your property. So, and next is as office space, suitable for house as well as office space. Means you can use it for residence also and for office also. Rent negotiable. Rent is not opened here. Rent negotiable. In the same way you can write rent reasonable. Then at last contact address. So just as I have discussed in the features, in the same way everything is given here. You can also write the advertisement of to let, mentioning all these things easily, I think. Now I am going to discuss one more kind of classified advertisement, and that is about advertisement for rent. Children, as situation vacant and situation wanted. These two advertisements are just opposite to each other in the same way. The advertisement of to let and the advertisement for rent. The both are just opposite to each other. Advertisement of to let we write when we have to give our own flat on rent. And advertisement for rent we write when we have to take any flat, any house on rent. The topic of that advertisement will be to let and topic of this advertisement will be for rent. When we have to take any house, any flat on rent. Remember it. So now the features of this advertisement. First is start with wanted. Remember, when you write the advertisement of to let, then you start with for, available for. And here you will start with the word wanted. The type of accommodation, floor, size and number of rooms, fixtures and fittings, location and surroundings. If you have to write advertisement either for sale of property or for purchase of property or for rent or for to let. In any way, in any case, you will have to describe the type of accommodation. Whether you have to give your flat on rent or you have to take flat on rent. But type of accommodation must be mentioned. So here also in the same way, you will mention the type of accommodation. Means what kind of accommodation do you need? What kind of flat do you need? On ground floor, on top floor, on second floor. So first of all, floor. After that, how many rooms? 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK you write. Then the sizes. Then other facilities like parking facility, like servant quarters, these things. Then about fixtures and fittings. So these things you will mention just like the advertisement of to let. Rent and at last contact address and phone number. Just like the advertisement of to let, here also you will mention the rent to be offered by the person who wants and at last contact address which is common. And then never forget to write the title, means category of the advertisement. And what is the category of this advertisement? For rent. So once again listen. If you have to take any flat on rent, then the topic will be for rent. You will start the advertisement with the word wanted. Then in the next point, there should be type of accommodation. Means floor, number of rooms, size of rooms, other facilities, fixtures, fittings, location, surroundings. Then about rent and at last contact address. So these are all about the advertisement for rent. So the question is, you need a storage space for the new construction company that you have launched. Prepare an advertisement seeking a storage space for rent. You are Arun, Foundations Constructions, Pune. Now see the solved. First of all, go through the question and find out what kind of advertisement is this. As someone needs for rent, so you will give the title for rent. As I have already discussed in the feature, that such kind of advertisement should be started with the word wanted. So you write wanted. Wanted for rent. Now the type of accommodation like floor. So here it is already mentioned on the ground floor. Then the size already mentioned 2500 square feet area. Then about the building, leak-proof building. Here rooms are not mentioned because the person needs it for the company. So only building is mentioned. With good security facilities, should be easily accessible for four-wheel vehicles. Here children, these all things are mentioned because the person needs for company. That's why these things are mentioned. Servant quarters, parking, these are not mentioned because for residence, he doesn't need this flat. Then it is proximity to city center, to the city center place. Proximity means closeness. It should be close to the city center. And at last, contact number, which is already given here. So that's all for today. We have already read two kinds of advertisement. So you must learn. Thank you.